In the heart of the endless blue skies, beyond the tallest clouds, lay a magical land called Skyforest, where parrots chirped, robotic birds zoomed, and peace fluttered with every feather. But one day, that peace disappeared. The sun had just risen over Tookie Town, and the birds were waking up, stretching their wings. But suddenly, there were screams from the treetops. "My feathers! They're gone!" Tail feathers, vanishing. Only parrots were targeted. One by one, they woke up lighter, bolder, and frightened. That's when Peeko, the smartest parrot in Tookie Town, flapped onto the grand perch. "Listen up, flock. This isn't nature. This is a mystery," he called in his high-flying friend, Zeta, the robotic falcon, equipped with infrared vision and wind-speed wings. Zeta scanned the area. "Magnetic residue. These feathers weren't lost. They were stolen." Peeko squawked. "Then let's fly, Zeta. We've got a thief to catch." Their trail led them deep into the forbidden fog forest, a creepy, swirling land where no bird dared to fly. There, among the twisted metal branches, they found a strange bird, half real, half robot, feathers glowing faintly blue. He spoke in a glitchy voice. "I am SparkWing, but I don't remember much. Just cages, blue lights, and a voice. Feathers for the future." Before they could ask more, a drone swooped down and snatched SparkWing away. Peeko and Zeta chased it through storms, smoke, and thunder, until they reached a secret underground lab hidden inside a broken mountain. Inside stood a shadowy figure, Dr. Glitch, the mad inventor. He once built robotic birds to outfly nature, but his creations failed. So now he was using real parrot feathers to make the ultimate robo-bird. "Soon, my bird will fly higher than any living creature ever could." Just as he was about to attach the final feather, Peeko gave a shrill whistle. Zeta dived through the ceiling like a rocket. A battle began. Gears clanked, lasers zapped, feathers flew like sparks. SparkWing, still trapped in a cage, blinked, then sparked. Initiating override protocol, he hacked into the lab system and shut the entire operation down. Lights went out. Dr. Glitch shouted, "No!" But it was too late. Peeko landed on his shoulder and said coolly, "Looks like this bird brain's out of luck." The parrots got their feathers back. SparkWing remembered his past and joined the Sky Patrol. And Zeta? She flew higher than ever, guarding Tookie Town from above. Now, in the skies of Skyforest, no one dares to mess with the flock again. Because together, feathers may fly, but courage flies higher.